preparing an artificial soccer pitch for professional use. The first stage involves removing the existing artificial turf surface. Specialized machines carefully lift and roll up the old synthetic grass. Large turf removal machines can strip thousands of square feet of surface in a single day. Removing the old turf allows workers to inspect the layers underneath. A modern artificial soccer field consists of multiple engineered layers beneath the visible grass. The base structure is just as important as the turf itself. The white soccer lines are often installed separately rather than painted on afterward. For many professional fields, the markings are cut directly into the turf using different colored grass. Workers use measuring systems and layout tools to ensure every line meets official regulations. The dimensions of a soccer field must comply with governing body requirements. Accuracy is critical because even small errors can affect competition standards. The line marking process requires careful measurement from multiple fixed points. Some installers use large reel systems and guide tools to position the lines perfectly straight. Drainage systems are installed beneath the pitch to prevent water buildup. A properly built field can remain playable even after heavy rainfall. After removal, crews inspect the shock pad and foundation layers for damage or wear. Shock pads help absorb impact and improve player comfort. The surface must remain level to ensure consistent ball movement and player safety. Laser-guided equipment is often used to verify the field remains perfectly graded. Once the base is prepared, new rolls of artificial turf are brought onto the site. The turf arrives in enormous rolls that can weigh hundreds of kilograms. Workers carefully position each roll to create a seamless playing surface. The seams between sections must be joined with extreme precision. Special adhesives and seam tapes are used to bond the turf together permanently. Poor seam installation can affect both performance and durability. After installation, infill material is added between the synthetic grass fibers. Infill helps support the blades and improve playing characteristics. Many modern fields use combinations of sand, rubber, or alternative performance infills. The infill helps the grass stand upright and absorb player impacts. Artificial soccer turf has evolved dramatically since the first synthetic fields appeared in the 1960s. Early artificial surfaces were much harder and less realistic than today's systems. Modern artificial pitches are designed to mimic many characteristics of natural grass. Professional installations are tested for ball roll, shock absorption, traction, and surface consistency. FIFA and other organizations have developed certification standards for high-performance soccer surfaces. Artificial pitches are popular because they can withstand far more usage than natural grass. Many facilities host matches, training sessions, and community activities on the same surface year-round. Unlike natural grass, artificial fields require no mowing, watering, or reseeding. However, they still require regular maintenance to remain safe and perform properly. Special grooming machines are often used to redistribute infill and keep the fibers upright. Professional pitch construction combines civil engineering, sports science, drainage design, and turf technology. What looks like a simple field replacement is actually a highly engineered project designed to support years of soccer at every level.